Let's add a Bezier curve. In edit mode, we are going to delete the curve and we are going to draw something totally different. So as you can see, I'm going to draw this, and in object mode, I'm going to apply screw modifier. And you can already see the effect, but we are going to increase the value of step viewport and render to 64 so that will has more smoothness. And now it's time to add an empty plane axis. Let's choose axis object to our plane axis, and now if we increase the value of screw, you can see this effect. And if you want to duplicate it in the z direction, you can just increase the iteration. Since this is a curve, we cannot apply the modifier, so we have to go right click and convert this to a mesh. And that's about it. If you go to edit mode, you can see a perfect water slide, so as to say, with a very good topology. Let's select the edge and extrude it like this in y-axis, and we are almost done. So now let's add a cube to make the platforms. So I have just added two cube slots. Basically I have duplicated it. So in edit mode, I'm just going to select the planes and I'm going to extrude it something like this. And from here it's very simple. I'm just going to add another cube to create a platform, and from there on I'm just going to duplicate to make more stairs. Stay tuned for the part 2. We'll add material to it. We have created the stairs, and now we're going to add a Bezier curve again. We're going to delete it and we're going to draw some weird shape like this as a railing. And now we are going to adjust by holding this vertices. We are going to extrude it again so that we'll have some thickness over it. We need to convert it into a mesh again, and we'll select everything and we're going to extrude it just like this. Select everything and just adjust it a little bit so that it doesn't feel off, and we're going to duplicate it. So right now we are in shader mode and we are going to add a light. I have added a sunlight, and now let's give our slider some color. So we're going to add new. In the principal BDSF, I'm just going to give some color, some random orange color. It looks good. And we're going to increase the roughness just a little bit. For the rest of the stairs and platform, we are going to give a more metallic look. So let's increase the metallic value in principal BDSF and just give a grayish color so that it looks like steel. I'm going to select everything and I'm going to link it to material, and you can see this is your first cute small project in Blender. Do let me know how it turned out for you, and I'll put it on my story if you like, and follow for more.